Hey, you know of them, but Dudley's? You, want one?
No thanks.
Fully your faves. What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Who's Annie? What's the beef?
Well, she used to be my friend, but now she's calling me fat on our group chats.
Hey, that's just online bullying.
What are you doing?
Oh, Māori CSI. Screenshot. Now I got the evidence.
You are such a weirdo.
Carl says I'm just a big brother. You, want me to sort her out?
I don't want it to be a big deal. I just feel ugly.
Well, you listen here, ugly. If you're ever feeling stink, always have a kōrero. Just don't keep it in. You could talk to me, you could talk to Mum. I guess if you're stuck, you could talk to Koro, but only if you're really desperate, eh?
Thanks, bro.
All good.
Have you ever been bullied?
Be called ugly? Not with these looks. Oh, I'm only joking. I mean, it happens to everyone. Everyone, okay? So you know what you do? You just ignore them. But talk to us, always. We're Whānau. We got your back. You're beautiful.